What's the meaning of bon viveur? Bon viveur. Bon viveur.
Bon viveur. Bon viveur. The term bon viveur refers to someone who enjoys the finest things in life, particularly good food, wine, and company. It is typically used to describe a person who has a love for indulgence and an appreciation for the finer aspects of living. A bon viveur is often seen as a connoisseur of good taste and style, and is someone who is admired for their refined tastes. While some may view the lifestyle of a bon viveur as extravagant or self-indulgent, others see it as a celebration of all the pleasures that life has to offer.